Our ebooks are limited to one user at a time. If a book is checked out or is being viewed, there will be a notation on the book cover. When you want to learn more about a book, simply click on the book cover to see more details. On this page, you will find information such as the authors, publication date, subjects, and even information about reading and interest level. When you want to open a book, choose the Open Now or Checkout option, depending on how long you need it. Once you are inside the book, you have multiple options. MackinVia offers a text-to-speech option, which allows you to hear the book being read.
All over her new dress. Everyone left. I almost did, too.
With the play option, you can choose the speed at which the book is read and pick from several different narrators. Note that the voice options do depend on which browser and/or device that you are using. To see the entire page of a book, click anywhere on the book's page. From here, if you want to go to the next page, use the arrow buttons on your keyboard. To go back to the navigation options, click anywhere on the book's page again. From this view, if you want to go to the next page in the book, use the arrows on the right side or the left side to navigate between the pages. You can also use the book icon to view an individual page or to see 2 pages at a time. When you are finished with a book, use the menu option and close the book.